Here's a GRE arithmetic question. Let's take a look. Points W, X, Y, and Z are on a line, not necessarily in that order. The distance between W and X is 2, the distance between X and Y is 4, and the distance between Y and Z is 9. Which of the following could be the distance between X and Z? So the concept here is relatively straightforward. We're talking about a line, right? But what makes this problem so complicated is how many different possibilities we have. So in a case like this, I like to just start trying something out, right? Try one possibility and see what happens, because that might give us a hint about where to go. So let's start sketching what we have. So W, X, Y, Z, they're on a line. We don't know what order they're in. We know that the distance between W and X is 2. So let me just write that out right here. I'm going to put W right here and X right there, and just say that the distance between those is 2, right? Now, we're told that the distance between X and Y is 4. So the question is, where's Y? Well, either it's down here, right? It's 4 below, which would be another distance of 2. So call that Y1, right? That's a total distance of 4 between X and Y. Or it's up here for Y2. Right? And that's a total distance of 4. And then finally, we're told that the distance between Y and Z is 9. So now we have 4 possible points for Z, don't we? Right? Let's look at them one by one. So if Z is 9 away from this first Y, then it's going to be up here. So that's what? A total of 8, total of 9. I'm labeling every point as I go, right? That would be Z1. Or it's 9 below there. I'll just draw it right there. There's Z2. So that would be a distance of 9. Or if I take the point Y2, I could go 9 below this one, which would be, what's that, 4, 8, somewhere about right there, Z3. Or it's 9 above that one, right? So 1 and then 8 more, Z4. Well, that is a lot of possibilities, but the good news is, right, that's a total distance of 9 from Y2 to Z4. The good news is we only need one that works, right? It's saying which could be the distance between X and Z. So if I take this point X where I started and consider all these options here, let's look at all the Z's that we have. Well, Z1 is a distance of 5 away from X. That works. Game over, right? There's my X. There's Z1, it's a distance of 5. That's one point that could be the distance between X and Z. None of these other ones work. I'd encourage you to count those distances out on your own. For more GRE tips and tricks, or to sign up for my full online course, follow the link on my profile.